Welcome to day 3 of Ponies and the Smokies.
We're out here at the car show.
Yeah, we just got our cars clean.
I still haven't got my car clean.
Yeah, I've got mine clean. Cody's working on his right now. But this is third day of Ponies and the Smokies. This is going to be the beginning of the car show this morning. Tomorrow's a cruise in, so I guess we'll just see what today's got planned. We're going to get right to the cars in this video this time, because there's a lot to look at. All right, we'll see y'all later. gonna head out of the car show now. Gonna roll out, ride around, have some fun, enjoy some good times with some good friends. See you soon. How you doing, ma'am?
It's gonna be North Carolina. Edward Mary.
I ain't the one getting the ticket now.
Cody, you getting run.
You get run. Even though your car didn't move.
Still sitting here.
Hey, Quaker steak.
Quaker steak. Okay. All right, we're going. Tell him thank you.
Are we free to go?
Carolina, Edward Lincoln Williams, 6550. Edward Lincoln Williams, 6550.
Are we free to go?
Are we free to go?
Yeah, y'all are free to go. Just don't be back here burning out no more, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Thank you.
Alright guys, so we're out here at the Supreme Stangs meet at Hard Rock Cafe, and there's a guy that he's actually right here, and he just got pulled over by two cops.
Let's go find
No,
out.
oh it is. It is
They
Ponies.
couldn't get me on anything. I took off my seatbelt, looked at my insurance, she gave me a no seatbelt.
Are you kidding?
What happened there?
I got pulled over.
What'd they get you for?
They said I was excessive revving when we left the thing. But they couldn't get me for noise violation, and when I took my seatbelt off to get my insurance, she said I had no seatbelt on. So they gave me a ticket. for
Oh
no
my
seatbelt.
God.
I was sitting on here, I went like this, and that's when she got my ticket for no seatbelt.
Oh my God. Yeah, we met the cops earlier too.
He's like, just tell everyone to be more careful. It's like, I'm not the preacher for y'all do what you
Yeah,
want.
put it on a road sign.
Alright guys, let's go end today's video. Today was a freaking awesome day at Ponies and the Smokies. The weather was holding off, it was pretty.
And we went to the car show, saw a bunch of nice cars. They had over 600 people register for the car show that we know of, and literally the best, I mean, some really nice cars that I've ever seen. And also as well, we got to meet some of the police today, so that was very interesting doing burnouts.
They were cool though. They were cool.
Well, yeah, sorta. But anyway, guys, that's going to end today's video. Hope you liked it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, East Coast Coyotes, and yeah, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Stay tuned for the final day of Ponies and the Smokies, day 4, coming at you tomorrow. See y'all.